When adding stair elements to your project, it's easiest to work in a plan view. Begin by selecting the Stair tool on the Architecture tab of the ribbon. On the Properties palette, specify the base and top levels for the stairs. The number of risers for the stairs is automatically calculated based on the difference in height between these two levels and on the calculation rules established in the stair type. Notice that the Straight Run tool is selected on the Components panel. When you use this tool to draw stair runs, the lines for the boundary and risers are automatically generated. On the Options bar, set the justification of the stairs related to the sketched line. Here, we select Run Left because we will be defining the left edge of the stair. After you click the starting point, a rectangle displays representing the extents of the stair run. As you move the cursor along the run, the display continuously updates to show the number of risers created and the number of risers remaining. Once you move the cursor beyond the extent of the rectangle and click to specify the endpoint, all of the calculated risers are created. Click the Finish Edit Mode tool to create the stair run. Railings are automatically generated and attached to the stair. We need to add a railing to the mezzanine level, so the mezzanine floor plan is opened from the project browser. Additional railings can be added using the Railing tool. Use the Pick Line tools on the Draw panel along with an offset value you specify in the Options bar. The railing type is selected from the Type selector on the Properties palette. The Offset tool allows you to use edges of the floor as a layout guide for the railing sketch. The results of the sketched railings can be seen in the 3D view of the model. Select a flat roof and use the Temporary Hide Isolate tool on the View control bar to temporarily hide the roof so you can see the railings. Select the railing on the stair along the wall and use the Type selector to change it to a wall-mounted rail. Then select the other railing on the stair and change the type to match the railing on the mezzanine.